Now if you consider thyristor as a reverse mode, for reverse mode, this anode and this is cathode. Anode is connected to negative terminal of battery and cathode is connected to positive terminal of battery. In this case, J1 junction will be in reverse bias, J2 junction will be in forward bias, and J3 junction will be in reverse bias. Here there are two junctions are in reverse bias, J3 and J1, and one junction are in forward bias, only J2 are in forward bias. So here there are two time blocking of electron. There are two open circuit and one short circuit. So if you want conduction, then we have to fulfill these two gap across J1 and J3. अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉन को चाहते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन एनोड से कैथोड तक जाए तो इसके लिए हम इन दोनों जंक्शन को फुलफिल करेंगे across J1 and across J3, which is not possible. So in this case conduction is not possible, but when thyristor will be in forward mode, then conduction will be possible. Now if you consider a junction P and N, and if this is anode and this is cathode, then this junction will be in forward bias, and if you consider this negative and this is positive, then this junction will be in reverse bias. And in case of reverse bias, there is a storage of charge here across depletion layer. There is a collection of charge here across depletion layer, and if electron goes from here to here, anode to cathode, then electron do random motion from here to here, and it may collision to collected electron here, and they lost their energy, so it cannot reach from anode to cathode. If you want electron move from anode to cathode, then we have to remove this storage charge. For removing this, we can do two things. First, if you can neutralize this charge, then electron can go from here to here, or we can sweep this electron, collected electron from J2 junction. या तो हम इसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर दें या तो इस चार्ज को हम यहाँ से निकाल के बाहर कर दें. इन दोनों केस में इलेक्ट्रॉन का मूवमेंट पॉसिबल है और करंट एनोड से कैथोड तक जा सकता है. बट फर्स्ट केस इज ओनली पॉसिबल बिकॉज इफ वी इंजेक्ट हियर ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज carrying signal, high charge signal, then this electron will be neutralized and electron move easily from here to here. But it's not possible that this electron is swept from here to outside. So we can apply a high charge injecting signal as J2 junction for the continuous current from anode to cathode.